The Meriden Emergency Communications Center answers the 911 calls for the city of Meriden, Connecticut, at a population of close to 59,000 people. We dispatch the Meriden Police Department and the Meriden Fire Department, who also handle not only fires, but they handle EMS and rescue. In general, we answer about, on average, 24,000 911 calls per year. We were suffering from gaps in areas throughout the city where officers were unable to reach headquarters via radio. And if there had been an emergency and they needed help, they would not be able to get in touch with us. By improving our radio system with the Avtec console and also tape radios, we have increased the coverage throughout our city and provided a vital link for our officers in the field to get back to the 911 center.
Meriden Police Department. Okay, what's the location?
The Avtec console provides us access to both fire and police at one position. So if a dispatcher answers a fire call, they easily click an icon and they can dispatch the fire department right from there without having to transfer the call to another dispatcher in the room. Likewise, they can then transfer back for the police side of things and dispatch police. If we have an emergency where we need interoperability between the police and fire department, we can actually patch the two radio systems together, even though one is at 800 megahertz, the other is at VHF system.
It's just a touch one button, click, and then it's done.
The state of Connecticut is looking to regionalize their 911 centers by combining some of the smaller centers that don't answer as many 911 calls, incorporating them into some of the larger centers. With the Avtec console, this will be extremely easy for us to do.
Many states now have adopted an initiative to have one all-inclusive radio communications platform that allows any agency to access one common network infrastructure for radio. P25 has become the de facto standard for that radio communication.
Avtec is key in that point by being P25 compliant. Knowing that future technology is based on internet protocols, we wanted to make sure that we had a current state-of-the-art console that also would enable us to expand to meet future needs. The Avtec console is the heartbeat of the Meriden Emergency Communications Center. Without it, we have no way of getting help to the citizens of Meriden. With the Avtec console, lives will be saved.